Earlier, I just started trading journey. I was doing binary options. Then I made a good fortune in binary, and after 1 or 2 months, I lost it all because there is a no risk management in that particular type of trading. Then I found things like Proof Firm, a company who gives you capital to fund yourself.
The one thing that people tend to say, the fact that there's no hidden rules with Atmos.
If you don't accept the losses, market will punish you. Even if you have 100% accuracy, 80, 70, whatever you can say. I'm a living example of this.
What's your strategy? What's your edge? Like, how do you become profitable so quickly?
The one of the most important thing in this trading industry, you have to just stick with one asset, one strategy, or one mentor.
What would you tell your past self about trading or about prop firms? Hello, everybody. We are back with another payout interview here at Atmos. I am with Varun, who has had a payout with us successfully, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his experience with us at this prop firm. So, Varun, how are you?
I'm great, buddy. What's about you?
Very, very good. Thank you. I really appreciate you joining us today. Just tell us a little bit of a background about yourself. Where are you based, and how long have you been trading?
So basically, if I start telling about my background right now, I am a final year graduation student. I am pursuing BTech Computer Science in India. Actually, I am from around Haryana state, India. So basically, I have started trading around, you can say, almost 1.5 years ago. Earlier, I just started trading journey. I was doing binary options. Then, very, yeah. But in my earlier time, I realized that this thing is full gambling. There is no
Yes.
future of this trading.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
then, then I made a good fortune in binary, and after 1 or 2 months, I lost it all because there is a no risk management in that particular type of trading. When I was struggling here and there, then I found things like a Pro Firm, a company who gives you capital to fund yourself. Then I came back in forex. Like around I started forex trading in July 2024.
Amazing.
Then
Nice. Yeah, I mean, binary options. I've not ever had anyone who's come on and
yeah,
has been part of that. I started with binary options as well, like when I was like 17, 18, and I was basically scammed by some guy who was like selling me binary option signals, and that was my first introduction into markets. So yeah, I mean, shocking product, really, isn't it? But
yeah.
I'm glad you've overcome that. So what's the you've had quite a lot of success in a short space of time, because if I go back to how long it took me to be profitable, I'd say it took me longer than a year and a half from when I first started trading as such. So what was it for you that you found, what's your strategy? What's your edge? Like, how do you become profitable so quickly?
Yeah, one of the main most important thing that give me an edge or generate me a kind of discipline, consistency, all those things that I come from a background. You know that in India, our Indian kids don't get a huge pocket money like in a USA or other developed countries. Person have a lot of money, so they can easily
Yeah.
give a $200 to $300 pocket money easily to their kids, so they can manage their expenses very well. But I come from a India country where you can say $203 is a salary of a software engineer.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so I have a very less amount of fund. I just manage my buying pro form accounts by saving some amount from my, you can say, pocket money. I hardly get to $40 to $50 pocket money. Okay, from that
Wow.
so the main thing matters for me na, that I have value for every account. I don't consider that this account should be, oh, I just go all in and just reach this account and tomorrow we'll be back in market and buying 3 4 new accounts. So the one of the main things that helps me making this thing in a less time, that is, you can say, believe in
Yeah.
myself,
Nice.
and fact, and second more accepting that I have a respect for every account that I purchase or get here and there from a giveaway or any other opportunity, you can say competition account.
Yeah. I mean,
And the
having that respect.
and the last most important thing, as you said that you got scammed by some gurus or signals kind of thing, and I also had been a part of this thing, and after later on 6 months struggling here and there, I only realized one thing: if I wanna make in this market, so I have to start putting my hard work on chart. I start looking at a chart 5 or 6 year. So no, sorry, 5 or 6 year, 5 or 6 hours daily basis.
Yeah.
And the one of the best things that put me on here with you podcast, that I only focus on one particular asset, that is gold. You can,
Ah,
if I, yeah, if you can see my dashboard or anything else, you can see if I taken 100 trades out of 100, you can say 95 to 96 trades are on same asset, gold. So I have analyzed the asset over, you can say 3 or 4 year backtested data, and I took
amazing.
a more than 400 plus trade live on my strategy, not backtested. It's a front tested data, so it gives me immense, you can say, edge over all people.
Amazing. So
Yeah,
belief, respecting the accounts, back testing and forward testing, straight
yeah.
from the off. I mean, that's quite impressive. That normally takes genuinely. It normally takes people quite a long time to come round to that proper cycle of doing things. Normally, people go down the try and get money quick cycle. But look, I mean, that's great. What sort of account sizes do you normally purchase with
Yeah,
props?
when I, yeah, okay, okay. Basically, when I started my journey in a prom space, I already told you that I made a bunch amount of money in binary options. Then earlier I purchased a 100K account sizes, and I purchased 300K account sizes, and out of three I breached two and passed one by luck anyhow you can say, and got a payout of I think around $300,000, and I just enjoy all the payout. No, I don't take any backup and just enjoy like I'm a
Wow,
fucking money making machine. I can make this $3,000. You can consider $3,000 is a very good amount in India when we
for
convert
sure.
into INR. Yeah, after that I just ruin everything, came back to zero, and after that I just start my trading journey again from, you can say, 5K accounts, 10K accounts. Right now I'm using 10K accounts. Sooner I will shifting to 25K, and then later on scale.
Amazing. Really, really good stuff. What was your what was the amount that you received from us? How much?
Okay, I just requested a payout around, you can say, $230 kind of, but I received my share as first payout $187.
Amazing. Really, really
Yeah,
good. So that's good percentage gain as well.
yeah.
Just tell me a little bit then. What have you found? Honestly, be as honest as you want. How have you found the experience with Atmos? Have you found the support good, or what's been your favorite feature?
Yeah, the best favorite feature I have spotted at most. I have traded with many 5 or 6 firms, usually, basically. So I just found that your support and customer service chat replies very fast. I have never seen that how
Amazing.
much a firm can be fast in that thing. And your rules are pretty simple: daily drawdown, overall drawdown. No more fun fancy rules like martingale, hash trading, all those things. So matlab, rules are plenty simple. If a trader have a good strategy, accuracy, has little bit of discipline, he can comfortably trade with Atmos very easily.
Oh, really, really nice. Thank you very
No,
much. I mean, yeah.
yeah,
Go on.
yeah, no shady rules.
Um, what I was going to say is, a lot of the times that people have come on and we've had this conversation, the one thing that people tend to say is the fact that there's no hidden rules with Atmos. I think, like, 'cause obviously I know I know the people that created it and stuff, and that was one of the things which they wanted to do more than anything was the websites that you see on the web, the rules that you see on the website are the rules that you have to, it's all the rules you have basically. Whereas with these prop firms now, and not all of them, but especially the ones that aren't broker backed, there's a lot of hidden rules that you don't know about until after, which isn't good.
Yeah, I have also experienced some things. I can't name the firms because I have some accounts with them, or in future they can deny my payout. But
Yeah,
earlier in my past experience, I have traded in a firms like where, as I know that you are experienced trader, you know very one basic thing. Firms only
yeah,
breaches your account when you hit a daily DD or overall DD. Okay. I got my account breaches from a firms like when my account is, you can say, overall in a 5 or 6% profit. They just breach my account by saying some stupid rules like margin rules, consistency rules, all these fucking shits. So
yeah.
as, yeah, as a funded trader at Atmos Funding, I experience a very smooth experience in terms of rules and especially in execution part too.
Yeah, amazing. No, it's really, really good. Listen, we'll end things with. I want to hear from you, because now you're a young guy and you've had success quickly, which is amazing, and I wish you continue to have success with us. But what is something that you wish you knew when you started? What would you tell your past self about trading or about prop
Okay.
firms?
So the basically the one thing that if I started earlier that I had no, so I can get the success very quick. The one of the most important thing in this trading industry, you have to just stick with one asset, one strategy or one mentor. Okay, you can't run here and then like I took a I sorry I can take a strategy from that person, that person. One day you are becoming an intraday trader, one day you becoming a scalper, one day you are becoming a swing trader. The first and I would like to give just three things that I wanna say to a beginner, all those traders. The one on the most important thing, first of all, you have to decide your trading style, that your personality suits, that you are a good scalper or a intraday trader or a swing trader. You can't copy anyone, na, because your personality have different traits, mine have different. So if I can be a good scalper, but you don't have that kind of fast execution, so you can't be a scalper. Maybe you are made for an intraday trader or swing trader.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
first thing
yeah.
is that. And second, the most important thing, you have to just stick with one or two pairs max in earlier stage. You can see lot of trader here that one day they are trading gold, another day they are shifting to US 30, US 100, dropping down into pairs, BTC, crypto, all those stuff. So second thing, you have to fix your asset or you can say pair, whatever you wanna trade. And third thing, you have to give some times. I think if someone gives dedicated 6 months to a particular strategy, particular system, without listening YouTube gurus, Telegram signal mafias, all those stuff, so
Yeah, yeah.
he will start getting good results. And the most important thing that I wanna give advice to anyone, that to trade max days very important.
Ah,
If you
okay.
trade, yeah, I am a living example of this, bro. Yesterday I have second payout date with you, but a payout pressure came on mind, and due to these psychological mistakes, I made a blunder, and now my account is I think 6 or 7% down because I got a grade. I break my two trade rule because you can see na in my live account before requesting second payout, I have 100% accuracy. You can't
Yeah.
imagine this thing. I malab 100% accuracy can't stay every time, but whenever you take some good trades on a particular setup with confirmation, then you can get a good accuracy of 60 to 70%. But this
Mm.
100% accuracy made me blind. And instead of requesting second payout yesterday, now I am on a stage to make this thing to make my account to break even. Okay. So that's the one of the most important thing. You never be our confident guy on your strategy. You have always accept the market conditions and losses. If you don't accept the losses, market will punish you. Even if you have 100% accuracy, 80, 70, whatever you can say. I'm a living example of this. If I just
No, it's
stop
amazing.
after two trades, then I will be requesting my second payout yesterday and hopefully receive today. But right now my live account on
No,
go
you
down.
must.
Yeah.
Look, I mean, that is great advice, and it's honest of you to own up because, like, I think that being a successful and profitable trader doesn't mean you don't make those mistakes. Like, you will make those
Yeah.
mistakes, but it's about being able to identify that mistake and then acting on it. So, people will make the same mistake that you do, but they're in denial that they ever made the mistake, you know? So then they'll just keep doing it and they just won't think they ever did anything wrong. Whereas the successful traders make those mistakes, yes, of course, but they know that they made them and they make themselves accountable for it. So that's really, really nice advice. I appreciate that. And that is a good wrap up, a good end to an amazing conversation. So thank you very
Yeah.
much. And thank you to everyone who has watched this video. I will get the team to drop your social media channels in the description. Give this guy a follow. Oh, my light's gone off. Give this guy a follow because he knows what he's talking about. And hopefully we can have some more payouts with you soon.